Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to sell your USDT on Binance. Alright, so first up, I'm going to go ahead and click on my profile right here at the top right. Okay, just for you to see, I have here a little amount of USDT. So to finally sell it, you can go ahead and hover over trade. Okay, now go ahead and click on P2P. Just click on it. Now under P2P, select sell. Now go ahead and find USDT. Okay, click on USDT. Transaction amount, of course, the currency that you wanted to receive or convert your USDT. For example, PHP right here because I live in the Philippines. Now, once that's done, you'll have all of the available buyers right here. So at the very top is usually the best price. Okay. And by the way, the payment methods available for the buyers will be listed as well. Okay. So just click on sell right here. Add in the amount of USDT that you'd like to convert to your PHP, USD, or Euro. Select the payment method, click on the plus sign, add in your details, okay, or bank details, hit on confirm. And once that's done, just wait for the amount of money to be transferred to your selected payment method. Okay. Another option, if you can't wait, you can go ahead and use Express right here. Just like P2P, you could just go ahead and enter the amount of USDT right here. If you're 100, you'll receive this amount of PHP. Okay, so select the payment method, follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go as well. That is how you sell USDT on Binance. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.